Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears with gelatin and juice. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, your favorite fruit juice, and a sweetener like honey or sugar. You'll also need gummy bear molds or a small, shallow dish. For a good consistency, plan on using about 2 tablespoons of gelatin for every 1/4 cup of juice. This ratio helps ensure your gummies set perfectly. Next, let's get mixing. Sprinkle the unflavored gelatin over your cold fruit juice in a small saucepan. Allow this mixture to sit for about 5 minutes. This process is called blooming and helps the gelatin absorb the liquid. After blooming, gently heat the saucepan over low heat, stirring continuously until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Be careful not to boil the mixture. Now for the fun part, flavoring. Once the gelatin is dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in your preferred sweetener, such as honey or sugar, adjusting to your taste. You can also add a few drops of food coloring or extra flavorings if you wish for more vibrant or unique gummies. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your prepared gummy bear molds. Finally, it's time to chill. Place your filled gummy molds into the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes or until the gummies are completely firm. Once set, gently pop them out of their molds. You've just made delicious homemade gummy bears. They're perfect for a sweet treat or a fun snack. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing Darn Tough socks. Enjoy your tasty creations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.